What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you are watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Here I am sharing a wonderful home remedy for all the skin types, mainly for oily skin and acne-prone skin. This remedy requires only two ingredients from your kitchen. All you need is lemon and honey. That's all. Lemon and honey have the mild bleaching properties which helps to lightening the skin tone. It helps instant glow on your skin. It reduces oiliness, it reduces inflammation and acne on skin. Using lemon and honey has multiple benefits. It balances the pH level on skin and moisturizes the skin. This mask is also a great anti-aging treatment. It can help you dry and dehydrating the skin. So without any further ado, let's check it out how to apply this mask.
Take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. Apply lemon and honey mix on face and neck. Keep it for 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water.
If you apply lemon on your skin and go out, it may cause itching, sunburn or irritation. Hence apply after sunset and you can go out. You can apply this mask twice a week for the best results. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling.